Hello everybody, today I'm drawing Animal Crossing characters again. Now I really should be studying because I've got an important exam tomorrow, but who cares, let's get on with the video. Now first off I'm drawing Mo. He's got a pretty weird design to be honest. He's got bunny teeth, but he's a cat, so that's kind of odd. Well, I think I made him look a little bit cuter. I gave him this oversized t-shirt which makes him look pretty awesome. His original design isn't too bad. I'm just thrown off by the teeth. Next up is Kiki. She's described as shy, so I wanted to draw her as a little bookworm. Next up is Biscuit. He is so cute. I don't like his soulless eyes, but I really like what I did with his design. I gave him this cute pajamas because he's sleepy, and I made his ears into this cute little hat, and I made the pajama theme like dog, so I can give him a little tail to match his original design. And overall, I just really like how he turned out. Next up is O'Hare. I'm not sure how to pronounce that, but he is certainly someone. He's got that 100-yard stare despite wearing this funky, fun little outfit. Like, he looks like he's on a vacation, but he does not enjoy it at all. Yeah, but he's a really weird character, to be honest. But I still like how he turned out, I guess. It's not the best of them all, but it's decent. Next up is Freya. She is interesting, I think. Most of the people like her, and I'm not the biggest fan of her design, but I did the best I could and I made sure she was like styled up. I think she's a person that likes to dress up and yeah, make herself beautiful, so I gave her the little cat or wolf ears, whatever. I like how she turned out. I think I spent the most time on her design, to be honest. Next up, or last but not least, is Bruce, and he's also one of my favorite designs I did today. I definitely wanted him to look really cool, really like he could beat you up, I guess. My favorite part of him are the ripped jeans. I really enjoyed drawing them, and overall I just really love him. I think he turned out great. So that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. If you want to see any of your favorite characters drawn in my style as humans, then please let me know down in the comments below. I would love to draw more of the Animal Crossing characters. I absolutely love the game, I love the characters, I love how different they are as always, stay safe out there, have a wonderful day, goodbye.